Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
One fork at a time. Descend.
Global Sky, you are on the air.
Find. The global sky. Names, content, packets. 3 roads down. Never the same.
What has to move fast?
Names? Route 53.
Cacheable HTTP?
CloudFront. Edge copy.
Raw packets? No cache?
Global Accelerator.
Route 53 is already right. Stopping there loses the mark.
Which policy? Go. Just one resource, one address?
Simple. One record. Today.
Blue-green split? Canary play?
Weighted. Dial it anyway.
Closest region, no delay?
Latency. The nearest way.
Primary drops, standby play?
Failover. Health checks. Or pay.
Country or continent, law?
Geolocation. Hard wall.
Stem says bias. Bigger haul?
Geoproximity. Only call.
Healthy answers, spread them all?
Multivalue. 8. That is all.
Client-side or make the call?
IP-based. Match the block, y'all.
Zone apex. AWS wall?
Alias. Never CNAME at all.
CloudFront is right. Now name the edge.
Cacheable HTTP. Global spot?
CloudFront. Edge pops. Hot.
One private object. One shot?
Signed URL. Single slot.
Whole private site? Files a lot?
Signed cookies. Cover the lot.
Private S3 origin?
OAC. Bucket policy. Locked.
Origin falls on the floor.
Origin group. Backup. Restore.
Header rewrite at the door?
CloudFront Functions. Viewer side.
Heavier logic? Origin core?
Lambda at Edge. Costs you more. Global Accelerator. Now, say my cues.
Static, anycast, IP, TCP, or UDP. Non-HTTP, IP allow listing. Regional failover, no TTL to wait.
All 4. That is the road.
2 answers. Both look right. CloudFront carries copies. The Accelerator clears the road. Cacheable? The road holds no cache. It dies. Static IP? Copies cannot hold one. It dies. Static IP again. NLB or the road? One region, NLB. Many regions, the road.
Name the discriminator, never the service. An answer alone is half a mark. Name what it connects to.
Route 53, CloudFront, then what?
WAF. Then ALB. Then the origin.
Certificate for the edge, where?
ACM. US East 1. Or it will not attach.
Delete the health check. What fails?
Failover never fires. Dead endpoint still answers.
You changed the record. Why still wrong?
Resolvers cache the full TTL. Wait it out.
Multivalue as a load balancer?
8 answers. Balance nothing. It dies.
World uploads, 1 bucket. Big load?
Transfer acceleration. Multipart.
Deadline beats the pipe you are owed?
Snow family. Ship the disk. Off-road.
Sky has answered. Cross the line.
Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
Find is done. 10 regions on the ring.
Next region, next fork, go!